Hello, and welcome to a guided journey to your safe space. My name is Erin Byron. I am a registered psychotherapist bringing you mental health through expressive arts and yoga therapy. A lot of my clients have been asking lately for a recording of what is a launching point in our journeys in many of the sessions. Part of trauma recovery work, or what you might think of as soul retrieval, it has many different names in many different traditions, but these deep recovery journeys often begin in the same way, and that is from a launching point of the safe space within us. It's very important psychologically that we're able to create something inside of ourselves, a place we can go where we know that we're protected, that brings our nervous systems into a greater sense of balance, allows our neurological activity to be more in the lobes that are responsible for feeling downregulated, empathetic, compassionate, able to think ahead. And safety is a key part of getting to that place. So here I'm going to take you on this journey, and from that point you are welcome to continue guiding yourself through a journey or find some other meditation or guided visualization practice that supports you in becoming more of the person you want to be. You are encouraged to be personally responsible for this, to trust yourself. I might be asking you to see or hear or sense things. Not everybody perceives well with those senses. So you can just ask yourself, if I could imagine this, what might it be like? And don't get too wrapped up in my cues. Really let yourself make this your own. And we'll begin, as we so often begin these kinds of practices, just by noticing the breath. And while you're turning into your respiratory patterns, get yourself into a comfortable physical position. That can be standing with the feet at a wide base, nice and relaxed, or seated, or reclined, comfortable and warm. And with your body settling into its space, there's more freedom for the breath to move in a natural way. Feeling the inhales coming through, using the entire capacity of the lungs, maybe pausing at the transition point before allowing the lungs to empty freely, comfortably. If there's a little bit more breath that wants to let go, there's space for it before the lungs do what they naturally do. The vacuum of the lungs drawing in a gentle, healthy inhale. The body responding to the smooth rhythms of the breath and settling into the support of the furniture or the earth that's holding it. Reminding the muscles they don't have to do anything right now. It's safe to rest. The breath flows. And beyond the comfort of the body and the smoothness of the breath, set your attention to the place of the imagination where anything is possible. Thoughts might pass through your awareness, doubts, lists, memories, curiosities. That's okay. It's not the focus. Whenever you're distracted by a thought or a feeling, simply bring yourself back to the cues, to what you're imagining. Here in this place of imagination where anything is possible, begin to create a scene. This is a place that is for you and for you alone. Perfect time of day, perfect season. The temperature is as you wish it to be, and all around you are the kinds of plants that make you feel welcome and at home. Just imagine yourself breathing in the fragrances of the herbs or the flowers, the trees. Noticing if there's water nearby and the sounds of that moving water. Perhaps also the sounds of birds or small creatures. understanding that nothing can exist in this space without your invitation. This is a space for you and you alone, for healing, for understanding, for creating. Imagine yourself moving through the space, exploring it more deeply. Take time to touch the plants, the water. Engage with the animals. You can spend as much time here as you wish, deepening the experience of safety and relaxation, or moving forth in the journey, carrying yourself through curiosity into experiences that you desire. You may imagine your future self at the end of a transition, successful in a change you are trying to make, realizing a dream or a wish that you have. The soul retrieval or healing journeys that move from this launching place are best done with the guidance of a practitioner. But for today, I invite you to bask in this safe space, in this place where you are held, sheltered, appreciated. And in your mind's eye, see yourself basking in that appreciation, reveling in that safety, enjoying this space that exists only for you, that you can return to at any time. Thank you for participating in this journey today. If you know anyone who might benefit, who is looking for a vacation space within themselves or has trouble sleeping, please share this video with them. Please replay this video as often as it serves you in your own life. Remember to like and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever I put any other videos or practices up. And thank you so much for engaging. Take good care.